Beauden Barrett is a New Zealand rugby union player who plays as a first 5'8" or fullback for the Blues and Hurricanes in Super Rugby and Taranaki in the Bunnings NPC. Barrett was born in New Plymouth to parents Robyn and Kevin Barrett. He grew up on a farm in Pungarehu, a small town in South Taranaki near Ōpunake, with his 7 siblings. He has 4 brothers and 3 sisters, including Kane, a former Blues representative and Taranaki captain and current All Blacks, Scott and Jordie. Barrett spent a year in Ireland when he was 8 years old. Barrett won the World Rugby Player of the Year awards in 2016 and 2017, was also a nominee for the award in 2018 and is only the second player to win the award in consecutive years after former teammate Richie McCaw. He also won the overall Shorts Person of the Year award in the Taranaki Sports Awards in 2013, 2016 and 2019. Barrett played at under 20 and 7s levels for New Zealand before being called into the All Blacks squad in May 2012 and made his international debut as a replacement in the final test against Ireland in Hamilton when he kicked 9 points on 23 June 2012. He debuted for Taranaki in 2010 and debuted in Super Rugby with the Hurricanes in 2011. Barrett holds a world record for consecutive wins since his first test. Barrett proposed to his long-time partner Hannah Lady in 2018 and they married the following year in a private ceremony on Rakino Island. Together they have 2 children. In 2021, Barrett had a sabbatical in Japan with top league club Sanchari Sago Liat, so he did not appear for the Blues in the 2021 Super Rugby Aotearoa or Super Rugby Trans-Tasman. Barrett returned for the international season and on 30 October 2021 he played his 100th test match in the fixture against Wales at Principality Stadium in Cardiff. He has scored 2 tries. On the 5 November 2020, Barrett represented the North Island in the 2020 North vs South Rugby Union match. In October and November, the All Blacks played 6 tests and Barrett appeared in 5 of them, 3 against Australia and 2 against Argentina. He started his first 5'8" in the last test against Australia, but in the other 4 tests he started at fullback. He did not score any tries or points. Richie Monga and Jordie attended to goal kicking duties. Following the 2019 Super Rugby season, Barrett re-signed with New Zealand Rugby through to 2023, also announcing that he would be switching Super Rugby clubs from the Hurricanes to the Auckland-based Blues. Barrett finished his career with the Hurricanes as their all-time leading points scorer with 1,238 points, also finishing as the 4th to most kept Hurricane of all time behind Conrad Smith, Mas Nonu and current All Blacks teammate TJ Perenara. In the All Blacks 2019 Rugby Championship campaign, Barrett started 1 game at first, 5 and 2 games at fullback. Even after partially handing over the kicking duties to Richie Monga, Barrett was able to score a total of 20 points across the All Blacks 3 games, making him the All Blacks top point scorer, 10 points versus Argentina, 5 points versus South Africa and 5 points versus Australia.